What if you could go from knowing nothing to being a profitable pro trader in the next 100 seconds? I have condensed my 8 years of experience into the guidance so you can save years of your life and stop wasting money. This is the only map you need. First, you need the alphabet. Go to babypips.com and complete the School of Pipsology. I've personally read every single lesson at least 3 times. This is where you learn the basic rules so you can speak the language of markets. Next, you need the Battleground. TradingView is the best tool for analyzing the charts. I keep my layout clean and professional, but you can use the colors that works for you. Just make sure your workspace is ready for the business. The market moves in a never-ending cycle. It trends, then it stops in a range to build energy for the next run. When the run is finished, it turns back into the range. If you don't recognize this heartbeat, you will always be on the wrong side of the move. But because the market has 2 stages, one strategy is not enough. You need one tool to trade the trend and another tool to trade the range. It's like having a coat for the rain and t-shirt for the sun. You must be prepared for the actual weather, not the weather you want. Do not get lost in thousands of strategies. Every successful system is built on one of these 3 entry models: breakout and retest, supply and demand, or the liquidity grab. These are the only 3 ways the market actually turns. Master this and you master the world of trading. So to make money with trading, you need only 2 things: the direction and entry. You need to know where the price is going and exactly where to jump in. If you only have one, you are just guessing. And finally, most people will tell you to follow the market structure, but structure is a lagging indicator. It's like looking at the rear view mirror. To know the real direction, you must follow the momentum. Momentum tells you where the speed is right now. Follow the speed and you will find the profit. This is everything you need to build a profitable trading system. You have the school, the tools, the rules. And if you want to see exactly how I use momentum to find my entries every single morning, watch this video next.